All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today we are taking a look at Obsession, which is the rap Filipino translation Obsession. This is starring Christy Imperial, Ida Manzano, a returning Angelica Cervantes, ah, and Chloe Jenna, returning Chloe Jenna na isang army reservist na. I think I've heard. Ayun. So yeah, if you like this review, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And yes, we are taking a look at Obsession. This is the life of guidance counselor Beatriz or Bea Ida Manzano. She is married to. She is currently married to. I don't know. Anong pangalan dito eh? I think it's the guy named Jave. Okay, Jave, I presume is Ida Manzano's husband, and they have a daughter na si Erin. Erin Brockovich. She puts the bitch in Brockovich. Okay. So, ang kwento dito is si Erin ay isang pasaway na she is pasaway, you know. And when it comes to being pasaway sa eskwelahan, syempre pumupunta ka sa guidance. Eh, ang guidance mo nagkataon ay yung sarili mong ina. So, your mom is taking this on a personal level. Like, super personal. Like, I don't know what is personal and what is professional anymore. This is how Erin sees it. Si Erin may barkada na mga durugista. Si let's see, si Marge played by Angelica Cervantes and si Jenny played by Army Reservist Chloe Jenna. At it's obvious na under sila ng under si Erin ng bad influence kasi it is indicated in this movie na through word of mouth na si Erin ay isang star student dati pero ngayon lumalala na sa kurso niya or her performance on her course is getting is getting out of hand. Okay, so we learn on some rap skits during this movie na si Bea ay isang dating prostitute or can be moonlighting as a prostitute kasi ang dami niya naging kliyente. Sa dito si Chester Gracia, si Simon Ibarra. Simon Ibarra dinila ang kanyang paa. So I've requested for some feet action sa BMX for all this time. Bas ito, nakita ko na ba't sa lahat pa ng binigyan nyo ng feet action si Ida Manzano pa! Okay. So, para mabantayan maigi ni Bea ang kanyang anak sa kanyang durugista life, let's be real here. Erin is a movie adaptation of Kitty Duterte. Okay, smoke and vote, shake and bake. No, wake and bake. Yun na tayo. Wake and bake. She enlists the help of Ethan Rosales playing the role as Vincent. Vincent is the one who will keep tabs secretly kay Beatrice or kay guidance counselor Bea. It's through Bea nalalaman niya, it's how Bea na nalalaman na up to no good itong kanyang anak na si Erin at isang drug addict na, wake and bake, diba? Ayun. So, nalaman natin na si Erin ay daddy's girl dati, pero dahil prostitute si Bea, inagaw ni Bea ang kanyang tunay na ina from her dad. So, nagsama si yung prostitute saka yung tatay ni Erin, kaya medyo distant yung relationship ni Erin sa kanyang trustang nanay. At nalaman natin na may gusto itong si Erin kay Vincent dahil lahat ng picture ni Erin ay naman si Vincent. At ayun. So una, nagkagustuhan, nagkaingatan naman si Vincent sa kasi nagkamabutihan naman si Vincent sa si Erin, pero sa dulo I don't think it was explained well enough, pero basta sinabi na lang kasi I figured out he's a stalker, like that. And di naman nalaman ni Erin na sa mission ng sa atas ng nanay niya kaya naging stalker itong si Vincent. At wala wala eh. Okay. So nagtalik si Erin sa si Vincent, di alam ng tatay pumuntang Cebu, yung anak ay pumunta sa condo ng kanyang ex na si Buddy. Si Buddy ay yung original na katandem ni Erin. Di ko alam ba't naging si Erin sa si Vincent kung may body siya. Wala. Di naman in-indicate na nag-break up sila. It's a mess. This movie is a mess for me. Okay? So, nagka-raid, nalaman after magtalik ni Vincent sa ni Erin, namatay si Sean. I have to end this. Isa pa. So, after magkaalaman na nakawala si Erin for 3 days, ni-raid yung lugar. Alam kasi ni Vincent saan tumatambay si Erin kasi ex niya yun. At binugbog si Vincent, nila Buddy, binaril si Buddy, patay. Then, things got escalated. Nalaman ng tatay ni Erin na buntis siya. Naglayas si Erin, ayaw niya magpakasal kasi ayaw ng tatay niya ng bastardong anak, kaya gusto niya magpakasal si Erin sa nakabuntis sa kanya. Patay na si Buddy, ano tira na lang kumanute kay Erin ay bugbog sarado, si Erin na lang single mom. And dito inarap ni Erin yung parusa. Nag-divorce yung tatay ni Erin na si Jabe saka si Bea in the end, at si Bea saka si Vincent yung nagkatuluyan. Hindi ata alam ni Erin, pero nagsususpedyo siya kasi medyo malakas yung concern ni Bea na na-English Vincent. Yes. So I'm just saying this movie is a pretty sloppy shit. Okay, I don't want to watch this, lalo na yung feet. This is not the feet fetish that I want to see in Viva Max. Pero it is what it is. It is a weak movie for me. I don't like the tendency, the approach. Okay. So upcoming BMX schedule, we are headed to June. July. Sorry. We're headed to July. Sipsipan this Friday. Okay. 1 week from now, Sipsipan. Kaya, and then, I don't think we have Friday movies, August 1, July 29, on my birthday, Tusok. August 1, Ligaya. August 8, Langoy. Then, Triangulo, August 12, Victoria Silver, August 15, Pasilip, Azi Acosta Steamiest Moments, August 26. Meron din Kama Sutra with Atasca on July 15, so that's something to be aware of. Ayan. So yeah, I hope you watch this review. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and good night. Bye!